want your dad to invest in a strip joint. How Midtown?
A burlesque club.
Burlesque. Burlesque.
How Midtown?
A burlesque club.
Well, it does have franchise potential. Chuck Bass. I do believe all your years of underage boozing and womanizing.
Underage. Underage.
I do believe all your years of underage boozing and womanizing. So, you think your father will go for it?
It is exactly the kind of innovative thinking upon which the Bass Empire was built.
Air. Air.
Thinking upon which the Bass Empire was built.
They all seem very discreet. It's up to you.
Discreet. Discreet.
They all seem very discreet. It's up to you.
This young viper at the office, Frank Meltzer.
Viper. Viper.
This young viper at the office, Frank Meltzer. Hey, I'll flush the bag right now, all right?
Dad, I just want you to be...
Look, let's not put a damper on the upcoming festivities.
Festivity. Festivity.
Look, let's not put a damper on the upcoming festivities.
Round, silverish, sparkly.
Yeah, I think I saw that next to that ambiguous, vague thing by the nondescript place.
Nondescript. Nondescript.
Ambiguous, vague thing by the nondescript place.
Supervisor's waiting.
But can Brooklyn keep up with the Uptown Express?
Uptown. Uptown.
But can Brooklyn keep up with the Uptown Express?
What's with the business formal? Are you being arraigned for something?
Arraign. Arraign.
Are you being arraigned for something?
I have an investment idea I think is utterly unique to your company. Something avant-garde, yet nostalgic.
Nostalgic. Nostalgic.
Something avant-garde, yet nostalgic.
In streaming video.
Oh, God. Claudia has filmed us.
Well, it's all very High School Musical scandalous.
Scandalous. Scandalous.
Well, it's all very High School Musical scandalous.
I didn't think you'd make it.
And you want me to pour hundreds of thousands of dollars into an excuse for you to be around booze and women?
Booze. Booze.
Into an excuse for you to be around booze and women?
Kind of bright in here, don't you think? Maybe get some blinds or a clapper.
Clapper. Clapper.
Maybe get some blinds or a clapper.
Bar drinking away his woes and his investment capital.
Nathaniel, your position in my esteem.
Esteem. Esteem.
Nathaniel, your position in my esteem. Nathaniel, your position in my esteem has been replaced by your voicemail. So, Bart didn't go for Victrola?
Cola. Cola.
So, Bart didn't go for Victrola?
Long night?
Alfonso made me an omelet.
Omelet. Omelet.
Alfonso made me an omelet.
I'm late for my blowout at art.
Blowout. Blowout.
I'm late for my blowout at art.
And
What are you doing watching porn?
It's not porn, it's art cinema.
Porn. Porn.
It's not porn, it's art cinema.
That sex is meaningful, like art, and you don't rush art.
That was in 2005. I was more idealistic then. I was much younger.
Idealistic. Idealistic.
5. I was more idealistic then. I was much younger. Hold on a second. Do I have to keep my shirt open and billowing like that?
Billow. Billow.
Do I have to keep my shirt open and billowing like that? I'm doomed.
Sensuous massage. Something we should talk about?
Sensuous. Sensuous.
Sensuous massage. Something we should talk about? Son?
Dad, we've had the talk already.
Do you need a refresher?
Refresher. Refresher.
Do you need a refresher?
To pitch me on the idea of helping her with a career change.
What can I say? I'm tired of reporting on Titans.
Titan. Titan.
Hey, I'm tired of reporting on Titans.
So, perhaps some old school thinking and fatherly bias clouded my judgment.
Fatherly. Fatherly.
Old school thinking and fatherly bias clouded my judgment. I love the idea of being a patron of burgeoning talent.
Virgin. Virgin.
I love the idea of being a patron of burgeoning talent.
Dad, you have a problem.
I don't have a problem.
You're tweaked and embarrassing.
Tweak. Tweak.
You're tweaked and embarrassing. Been pushing me towards Dartmouth, towards Blair.
You don't understand.
Dad, you're totally sabotaging all of it tonight.
Hey.
Sabotage. Sabotage.
Dan.
Dad, you're totally sabotaging all of it tonight.
Hey.
My father went home sick.
Spotted on Fifth Avenue, a father and son showdown.
Showdown. Showdown.
Spotted on Fifth Avenue, a father and son showdown.
There's a reason she was so quick to believe me.
There's a fire eater in the ladies' lounge.
Eater. Eater.
There's a fire eater in the ladies' lounge.
I know it may not compare to a suite at the Ritz in Paris or chalet in Aspen. And
Chalet. Chalet.
a suite at the Ritz in Paris or chalet in Aspen. And it...
Well, this is a new strain of obsessive-compulsive.
Compulsive. Compulsive.
Well, this is a new strain of obsessive-compulsive.
Let me ask you the question another way. Did you break up with Bart again?
Well, what did I do to deserve such a thorny welcome?
Thorny. Thorny.
Well, what did I do to deserve such a thorny welcome?
I'm